Yeah, what we have here is a couple of new batteries. One of them is going to go into the boat I'm working on, and I just had an interesting problem. I've never actually had this problem before. I wonder what the solution will be to this. Okay, have a look at this battery terminal. Okay, and focus is not very good here. Yeah, good enough, I think, yeah. Okay, when I put the terminal on, negative goes just fine. But have a look, I'll turn it around this way so you can see better. Give it a couple of gentle taps here. Take this off. Spread that a little bit. Nope. Okay, so now we're down fully, yeah? Okay, as I tighten it, we'll see it lift up. Okay, nothing wrong with it. Right, scratch that out. Okay, cancel video.